On today's episode of Big Red's Barn, we're going to attack one of the more annoying problems that we've had with Lucy, the dreaded belt squeal. Lucy has a 454 crate motor with a very simple serpentine belt system that just does one big loop around the outside of all the accessories. I believe the belt is slipping right here on the water pump. You can see that we only have about maybe 25% contact from the belt to that pulley. Here's a image of the system that was installed on this motor, and we're going to be adding this idler pulley right here to increase the wrap on that water pump and hopefully keep it from slipping. So I've ordered up the new idler pulley here from Marks Performance. I got a couple of spacers, the new bolt goes through the water pump, and the polished aluminum cone with a longer serpentine belt. The first thing we got to do is remove the water pump bolt and install the new bolt with the pulley so that we can get that centered on the belt.